All right, folks, so the next part here is something that after you complete your composition, what you can go ahead and do is actually export it so I can see what you composed. So when you go back to your rhythm composition, the next thing you're going to do is go right here to the cloud that has the down-facing arrow, and you can export. So if you click on export, it's going to give you a lot of options. Now, a few of these are behind a paywall, unfortunately, because Noteflight here does have a few paid options. We're only using the free one because we are absolutely not going to pay for this kind of thing because do not need to. Don't even ask your parents. Don't even try to do it. Nope. So what you can do, though, is you can export the full score to a PDF for free, which is great. So what you do is you go ahead and make sure that that's selected up there, and you're going to hit Continue. So what it's going to click Save to complete exporting the PDF. So when you click Save, it is going to give you the ability to save it somewhere. Now, I'm choosing to save it in my documents on my PC here, and I already did this once, so it's rhythm composition with the parenthesis 1, but you can, obviously, if you haven't done this before, you will be able to just save it as is. So once you go ahead and save that, you can then send it to me. So if you were to go, for example, to your email, and we'll just go to my Gmail. And we're going to compose a message, and we're going to say, for example, go to myself. So we would type in K Roulette. That's me. And we can call it composition. So what we're going to do is we are going to attach the file down here. Now, obviously, you probably know how to do this already, but, just going to walk you through it for those of us that might need a little bit of help. So if you go ahead and attach the file, this brings it up to like all the title cards that I've used for our lessons and everything. So we do need to go ahead and find that document. So I saved it in Documents and Scores. So right there, we've got our rhythm composition and the rhythm composition 1. So either way, it's fine. So what we're going to do is we are going to select one of them, and we're going to just hit Open, and it's going to attach it to that email, send it off to me, and boom, there it goes. So when I get it, I will be able to open it, and I will be able to see your rhythm composition. Now, obviously, this is my rhythm composition. This is what I created a little while ago. But that's a great way for you to be able to do that. So like I said, if you go ahead and export it from right here and you save it as a PDF, you will then be able to send that to me so I can see what you created. So please, I would love to get tons of emails from you guys so that you created these and everything like that. So please, after you create your rhythm composition, following those rules, I would like you to export it and send it to me so I can see what you had worked on. Okay? So if you need any help, please feel free to ask me. I'm more than happy to help you with that part and all of that good stuff. All right, folks?